today we will learn about SAP enterprise structure, how it is configured in SAP. Before that, let us look at this uh, concept that what is there in the enterprise structure. So we have the client is the first, which is the highest level, and then the company code, legal entity, which is responsible for financial statement, sales organization, the core unit, which is responsible for negotiating sales and distribution goods or whatever services, how goods will reach to the customer, that is through the distribution channel, and the division of the group of product and services. Sales area, which we say generally call as combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. And plant is the unit where the inventory is physically held and from where it is shipped. So let us go for setting up the organization structure in SAP. So for this, I have to go to SAP. I have already logged in. What I'll do is I will first go for customizing create. So this is SPRO. So generally we all do all the configuration over here. So first once I reach to the SPRO, so I will go to the enterprise structure, and here I will start defining. So defining. So what I'll do is first to define the company code, the sales organization and company code. So first is company code. The company code, for defining company code, I have to go to definition, and here the company code is the financial aspect. So it is to go to financial accounting. Here first we need to create the company. Okay, so let me do a copy. JPPL. You can do a direct new entries, and you can go to this. But however, I have done this copy so that I can copy from the existing data, and I can also change this. So I can put these addresses over here. So addresses, let us take here. Chandra. Take a copy. So when I started this project, so here once I copy that, enter the data. So the company is entered into this tabular field, and here I have to just save. Once I save, click on the save. It will ask for the TR request. So what I'll do is I will create a TR request for the first time. So what I'll do is I'll give JP company setup. And I'll go for save. So once I do, this number is there. So you can save this number for your future, all the configuration, so that you can transfer this request to your attestation. So what you can do is I'll just continue. So my company is created. So once the company is created, I'll go back, and here I'll go for creating the company code. So what I'll do is I will go to edit company code data. I will create the company code here. Somehow it is logged, so what I'll do is we'll create the company code in lateral stage. What I can do is we'll go to the next level of hierarchy, that is sales organization. What I'll do is I'll go to sales and distribution. Here I will define sales organization. So what I'll do is I'll copy sales organization. Similarly, what I've done is for the company. So JP00. JP sensor dimension 001. I will put the statistical as INR. Address text is address text. So these are all lateral it will be used. Purchase organization is daily data. We'll talk about this information when we are doing for the automatic PO. Copy. I'll just copy. Here I have to give the name. So JP company sales or 01 address, and here the RX 751034. Share IM region is where, and here the mandatory field is English language, and also we just so once we copy this, so I have to save. I have the TR already there in the buffer, so it is taking that, and I'll just put this. So my sales organization is created. Now I will go for creating the distribution channel. So what I'll do is I will create the distribution channel. I can do like this. I mean, domestic. I can say that it is. So what I'll do is I'll create a distribution channel. So I can create as many as as it is required. So JP is my distribution channel. It is wholesale. Okay, and I can put ST or top 300. Similarly, I can do. I can do as my organization is having the entities. So save. So the distribution channel is created. Now next is we'll go for division. So division belongs to material. So it is a product group. So division division. Channel. We have to also we can create the maintenance sales office. I'll just create a sales office for JP sales organization. So JPS1 I can create sales office 01 for JP. Okay, I can create the name sales office 01 JP, and address I can give Odisha 75104 and can give. So sales office 1 is created. So what I can do is I can save this The sales service one is created. To exit, I can create a sales group. So I will copy this JS1 AP sales group, sales group 01 GP, copy, save. So my sales group is also created. So sales group is the group of different people who is working for some type of customers. So the customer, suppose this area is I mean, this kind of customer is connected with this group, and that X4 is connected to Y. Suppose like that. So sales office is basically the sales under the sales organization. Different areas are planned, and for that different sales offices are. So here it is a conceptual thing, but here it is a physical presence. Sales office is a physical entity. Sales organization is an entity which is wholly responsible for the sales part. Here they are responsible for the area. Suppose in India, they have 4 regions. So 4 sales offices are there in this one. So they are taking care of 4 regions: Eastern, Western, Northern, and Southern. So 4 offices, 4 areas they are taking care of. So under these sales officers, they have the different sales groups. So this kind of assignment we learn in the assignment section. So what I will do is, I am left with one of the part which is division. So let us go to the division. Okay. Yeah, I am just missing it. So it is check division. So it is logistics. So we have to see the division. So I can go to new entry. I can put JP division 01. I can name, and then just put S and save. So division is also created. So what we have done is, we have seen how company code is created, then sales organization, then division, then sales organization, then the. So what I'll do is, I will go for creating the company. Company is, I think, created, JPPA. Okay. So inside that, you have to create a company key. So copy, check, delete. Create company code. Where is create company code? Create company code. Edit. So new entries. JP00 is the company code. So JP company code 01. Hala. Bhubaneswar currency INR. Yeah. Save. So here also you have to give the address. So what you have to do is JP company code 01, and you have to give this address also. Address from where it is operating. So here, if and save. Once you create this, the company code is created. So the company code is created. So next is plant. So what we'll do, you have to create a plant. So first, copy this. There is no point, I mean, not there is no requirement for copy. Okay, you can do the new fresh entry. So what you can do is AP plant one. So plant one, JP plant 01. And here the country code IN, city code. You can do the city code. You can do a filtering, I mean, with the so IN region is, you have to see this country country IN India. There is no region. Okay, there is. Let me check, cross check. The region is available. The region is not available. Okay, region is not available. That is not an issue. So we'll go ahead, save. Action. There is entry country code. Acha, acha. Country code. Country code. We have to see the region is IN. Country code is not there. So anyway, let us do one thing and do a creation for other country. Okay, and then we'll update this. So we'll do it in D if it is maintained. Okay, it's not maintained. So we'll do whatever is available. So DK is available. I will report. So entries, let's see the entries. Country code is not required. So we press enter. Here company, it is plant. So JP plant 01. And you have to give the plant's address. Okay. So language and everything. Okay. And your plant one is created. Now so your plant one is created. So once the plant is created, you should have a. Now what you need to do is plant in another plant, you should have a sales storage location. So what you need to do is you have to create a storage location. What is storage location? Yes, maintain storage location. So JP P1, you have to create a new storage location. I will just name it as JPLY and JP plant is log 01. So location 01 valid. So what you need to do is you have to also give the store location. So new entries, you have to give suppose 01 address, and here the same store location. JP plant 1 01 S log 01. Okay. So here you also address, you can address the store location. Store location may be different place. Maybe same different place, same maybe different place. So I can give the address. Suppose the same area, but there is a block. So block 1, block 2, you can address. So go for save it. So the store location is created. So store location created. Now what you need to do is you should have a shipping point. Okay. So shipping point. So what you need to do is you create a shipping point. JP S1 JP plant shipping point 01. Okay, shipping point 01. So you should have a factory calendar. So if you have a factory calendar, you can attach, or you can create a factory calendar, you can attach. So suppose it is India, generally, there will be some code. So there is a, I mean, global factory calendar, which is available for AIN. I am just attaching for this. So now here, I have to give the date and time here. Okay, so here load time default from the shipping point, and here picking time default from the shipping. So I just put yes. Once I put yes, I have to give the JB plant one shipping point shipping point 01. Okay, so shipping point also I can give the address, some address, shipping point, put a yes, and I can create. So shipping point is created. So once its shipping point is created, the shipping point is created. Now what to do? To do is, I mean, what you need to do is, see, you have created everything, every units, but basically how it is related. Okay. So what we need to do is go for assigning. Now assigning the do the assignment so that linking can happen. So now what we do to do, assign company code to company. So I have created a company code. I have created a company. So here the assignment is not there. So I need to do assignment. So first is company to company code. So company to company code is done. Now we have to do is, what I need to do is, now again logistics, I have to do also assignment to company code. Now before that I will go for these assignments, sales organization to company code. So my sales organization is JFT00, company code is also JFT00. I have coded the same text has been same input is there, but it's not the same. If this is different, this is different, even though the names are same. One is company code, one other is sales organization. So exit. Now assign the distribution channel to the sales organization. So JP00 is our sales organization. So let us see whether the entry is existing. It is not existing. So what you need to do is we have to create. So sales organization is JP00 and distribution channel is JP. So as many as we have, we can do the, as many as we have created the distribution channel, we have to create the this assignment as well. So this assignment is done. This is basically the distribution channel to sales organization is called sales line. Okay. Now division also we have to link. So what we need to do is, you have to check, first check. You have to position, put a JP00. It is not there. So I need to create. So JP00 and division was, I think JP. See, I put a save. Okay, so it is now mapped. Okay, and set up sales area. Assign sales office to sales area. Okay, whatever sales office also we have created, it is sales area we have to create. Sales area is, first we have to do a setup sales area. Okay, sales area. Okay, we can do this. Okay, let us go do for sales group to sales office. So we have created sales office JP S1. Sales office is not. So what we have to do is we have to create the mapping. So here I have created JP sales office 1. Okay. Now sales group what is created? JS1. So I have to do the mapping. All these related relations you will understand when we create a sales. How now here I have to do assignment, sales organization, distribution channel and plan. So what I need to do is JP00, distribution channel is JP and plant is JP1. Okay, I did an assignment. Now this plant belongs to this, is responsible for giving sales to this sales organization. Okay, now we have to go for setting up sales area. Okay, this is not visible yet. So what we need to do is we have to go to there is something called common division. So what you need to do is we have to go for common division. So JP00 JP is already there. Okay. Also this distribution channel we have to check. Already there. Deleted lots. Now what I need to do is set up sales area. Here I can do this my sales area. So what I've done is sales area JP00 and distribution channel, two distribution channel I've created. One is JP, division is JP, and here so the combinations will be my sales area. But I have to see the combination whether it is really applicable for the business. So wherever it is applicable for the business, that are done. Maybe suppose we would have done the different division, but one distribution channel is one division, another distribution channel is other division. Then we have to do the same thing. But it is just I have put the combination and all kind of combination to here. So once the sales area is created, now what you need to do is assign sales office to the sales area. So whether it is done, it's not done. So what you need to do is JP00 and JP and division is JP and sales office is JPS1. So for the same sales area or sales office also handling for the ST distribution channel, I can do this assign as well. So this is how the sales area is assigned to sales office. Okay, sales group we have already done. This one is done. Okay, so what we need to do is one is plant assignment is not done. So what we do is assign plant to the sales area. So how we'll assign the sales area? Assign the plant into the sales area where it is sales area logistics general. Assign plant to the company code. This is whether we have done this. If you have not done, you have to do JP00 JPP1. This also we have to do this assignment. So we have done all this. Only thing is we have to do for the sales organization to the plant. This also we have done. Okay. So this is all about the uh, define all the SD organizational units and assignment to the relations. Okay, how it is related, so that the organization setup is there, organization structure is made, and now you are going to create a, you can if you have the office over here, you can receive the orders from those customer, and you can create the sales order. So for this, already this organization structure is complete. So, next video we'll have how we can create a customer, what are the settings we have to do, and what are the configuration, and the subsequent video I'll make it for the for material master. So once the metal master is also created, we will see how the shipping determination will happen, and how the soil location determination will happen, how the availability check will happen. So then subsequent, so we'll go one by one. We'll try to set up the sales order process, and then we'll try to create a sales order. So thank you everyone. Thanks for your time. We'll meet in the next video. Assign shipping point to plant. This also we can do the assignment. Okay, assign. We have to assign the shipping point to plant. So what you need to do is you have to go to JP0001 plant. So JP01 plant travels to the JP01. Here you select this and you go to assign and assign your shipping point. So this is also a part of shipping the enterprise structure. So shipping point is maintained, saved. Okay, so shipping point is